Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very exciting package to share with you guys. I am back to doing Disney unboxings and I couldn't be more excited. So I actually did this one in the past, I want to say close to 2 years ago, so it's been quite a while. This is Mickey Monthly and it's like one of the cheaper subscription boxes in my opinion. That's Disney. I think this is magic size if I'm correct, and this was $39. So I didn't get the theme park version because I really don't care if it's from like the theme parks. I like Disney merchandise just in general. And I also got another box which will be coming probably in a few weeks. It's called Mickey Loot, so I'm really excited to give that one a try. So I did this a long time ago. I actually enjoyed the products I got. I probably got like 4 or 5 of these boxes. So I got this like regular merchandise one that I have here, and then I also got a lot of their snack boxes, which those come from the parks, and those snacks, I'm not gonna lie, were delicious. But I don't know, I decided to give it a try again, and yeah, just couldn't resist. So the reason why I canceled this initially in the past was because I moved on to a box called Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, and that subscription is wonderful, by the way, but they stopped shipping to Canada. So then I just kind of took a break from Disney boxes in general, and I miss it. So I decided to sign back up. I did get a discount, I think 10% off for 3 boxes, so not bad at all. And yeah, I'm so excited to get into this. I honestly wasn't expecting this until, I don't know, a few weeks from now, because I don't know, I ordered this like a week ago and today's Monday, and it just surprised me at my door, which is really weird. I didn't get any tracking email or anything, so I was definitely surprised and I had to film it right away. Anyways, that was a long introduction. So as far as preferences go, they don't really give you that many options compared to other subscription boxes. Basically, you can choose if you want a boy box, a girl box, or I don't know, a mixture of everything, I guess. And you can choose the ages. Now, I chose all ages because I do have 2 daughters and they love Disney as well. So I figured that maybe there will be some things for all of us to share. So yeah, let's get started. I just can't contain my excitement. I have missed getting Disney boxes. It's literally been almost 2 years. So, ooh, I'm so excited. These boxes are always just so pretty. So there's cards. It's like a castle, World of Thanks, and it basically says like thank you for being a member. And then, oh yeah, I remember this. So this card, and it says like not happy, and basically they do everything they can to satisfy you, which I think is amazing. And then right off the bat, I see this guide map for Animal Kingdom. So I have never been to Disney World or Disneyland. I do want to go someday. This is actually pretty exciting. So that's what it looks like. And here's this side. Definitely excited to take a look at this. It's my dream to go to the park someday. So excited. So there's lots of this, what do you call it, like worms? I don't know. Literally gets everywhere. And ooh, I see something very sparkly. Oh, I love that Mickey confetti. I remember that little blue confetti. Literally, this stuff gets everywhere. This hat is gorgeous. Like, so girly. I swear, if and when I go to the parks, I'm gonna have everything I need, like ears, hats, clothing, everything, because of these boxes. So in my very first Mickey Monthly box, I actually got a Mickey Mouse hat, and it is gorgeous. It's black and it has like palm trees and stuff. It's very tropical, but this is gorgeous. And it says adult, and oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I don't typically wear these hats, but I'll definitely wear this one because it's just so pretty. It's very sparkly and girly. Ah, so pretty. Ah, we are off to a great start. So then I see something for my girls. It's Minnie Mouse, and it is a tattoo book. So there's over 140 tattoos, and they will definitely have some fun with these. Maybe I'll even use some. Ah, so nice. I know this is probably not like a very expensive item. You could probably get this at the dollar store, but I think it's fun. So then, another thing for my girls. Ooh, and we love Toy Story. So this is Toy Story 4, and it's a pack of 6 pencils. So there's 3 with Buzz and 3 with Woody, Mr. Potato Head, and Slinky, I think. I don't know. Those look fun though. How cute. So I'll definitely give these to my girls. They'll definitely get some use out of those, and it's fun. So off to an excellent start. I'm not even sure if there's, okay, yeah, there's one last item. I just want to double check though. There's so much of this stuff. It is so messy. Okay, so it looks like this is the last item, and it says Loungefly. Now, I think this is a pretty expensive brand. I do own a few things from this brand, like a wallet and something else. Now, feeling it, it feels like ears or something. And so fancy. I love this pouch. You can totally reuse it. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now I know why I got my box so early. So these are Halloween. So I thought my box was going to ship like, I don't know, today basically, because I think it ships like after the 24th or something. Or I thought. So I thought I was gonna get my box like in November because I'm also in Canada, so usually it takes a long time for my box to arrive, like from what I remember in the past. So I think they rushed this box out because these are Halloween ears, and oh my goodness, I love ears. And it's so funny because you can't really like put any preferences, but in my other boxes I always put that I loved ears. And I also put that for the Mickey loot box, which we'll see if I'm gonna get those, but I'm really excited. So this is my 4th pair of ears, and as I've said, if I go to the parks, I'm gonna have like everything I need. And if I go around Halloween, well, I'll definitely be wearing these, and my girls will definitely be wearing these, I'm sure. Ah, these are so pretty. And it's got this like velvet bow. Ah, it's so pretty. I love these. Can you see my excitement? Oh my goodness. So pretty. Ah, these are just gorgeous. Like, ah, so pretty. I'm gonna try them on again. I think I'm gonna just keep them on, honestly. Just take the tag off after, and I'll definitely take a picture and post it on Instagram. But oh my goodness, I can't believe it because I paid $39 for this box, and there's no like spoiler sheet or anything, but I feel like the value is definitely higher. Not sure how much the hat is. I would probably guess $20, if not more. I think these are like $27.99 if I'm not mistaken, and these were probably, I want to say, under $3, which is fine. These are fun items, and I'll definitely get some great use out of these, or my girls will. So I think this is an excellent box. And oh yeah, let's not forget this guide map, which I'm definitely going to read. So I am just like sold. This is such an amazing box, and I can't believe, you know, they got it right on the nose. I didn't get the chance to like put any preferences, or they don't let you, but they got it spot on. Like, oh, this hat is so pretty. These ears, definitely my favorite item, and again, these items my girls are definitely going to love. So I will definitely keep getting the subscription for sure, and be on the lookout for the other subscription box, Mickey Loot, and if I end up liking that one, I might do that one as well, but that one's definitely a lot more money. This one is definitely pretty affordable. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.